Good morning, students. Welcome to English Reader online class. Today we start chapter 3, Down, Down, Down exercises. Now we start exercise D, play with words. Some common phrases like day and night and lock and key are formed by using and. Match these words with and to form word pairs. Number 1. Here first example is already given to you. Bread and butter. Number 2. Salt and pepper. Number 3. Needle and thread. Number 4. Cup and saucer. Number 5. Hammer and nail. Now we start exercise E. Complete these sentences in your own words. To have a conversation means to talk with someone. Number 2. To mutter to oneself means to say something to yourself. Number 3. To walk for miles means to walk a long distance. Number 4. To walk hand in hand means to walk while holding down with someone. Number 5. To run like the wind means to run very fast. Now we start exercise F. Punctuations. Exercise F. Add capital letter and full stops. Rewrite the sentences correctly in your notebook. Number 1. Alice was sitting on the river bank. Now we rewrite the sentence. Alice. First letter capital A. Alice was sitting on the river bank full stop. Now number 2. What is a book without pictures or conversations? Thought Alice. Now again we rewrite the sentence. What is a book without pictures or conversation? Thought Alice. Full stop. Number 3. Alice jumped to her feet when she saw the rabbit. Alice jumped to her feet when she saw the rabbit. Full stop. Number 4. Alice ran after the rabbit and jumped into the rabbit hole. Now again we rewrite the sentence. Alice ran after the rabbit and jumped into the rabbit hole. Full stop. Last, number 5. She dozed off when she was falling down the well. She dozed off when she was falling down the well. Full stop. Students, here you see first letter of the sentence always capital and end of the sentence we put full stop. Now we start exercise G. Grammar fun. Before I start the exercise G, first of all I want to tell you masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter gender, common gender. Now students, there are 4 kinds of genders. First, masculine gender. Nouns that refer to males are said to be of the masculine gender. Example, boy, king, lion, gentleman. Now, feminine gender. Nouns that refer to females are said to be of the feminine gender. Example: girl, queen, lioness, lady. Now, number 3. Nouns that name non-living things which are neither male nor female are said to be of the nectar gender. Example: car, flower, river, shirt. Last, nouns that refer to living things which are either male or female are said to be of the common gender. Example: students, cousin, doctor, kitten. Now students, you see exercise G. This exercise based on these genders. Write M for masculine, F for feminine, N for nectar, C for common gender. Now number 1. Alice. Alice is a girl, so we write F. Village, non-living thing. Nectar, gender. Mother, feminine, girl, F. Child, C. Common gender. Letter, N. Nectar, gender, non-living thing. Aunt, F. Feminine. Father, masculine. Pupil, common. House, nectar, and sparrow, C. Common. Saw, nectar, artist, common gender, C. I hope students you can understand 4 types of genders. Now we start. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. Number 1. Alice dash was busy reading her book. Who is busy? Sister, brother, tigress, cook. Sister. Number 2. The dash dropped his tray on the way to our table. Waitresses, princess, daughter, waiter. Waiter. Number 3. Sarah's dash is the headmistress of this school. Brother, grandmother, postman, uncle. Grandmother. Number 4. There are many dash playing in the park today. Sons, children, passengers, swings. Children. Students, our exercises are complete. Now write down homework. Note: do exercises D, E, F, G and H in your notebook. Students, now I will give you holiday homework. English 1. Cursive writing. Do page number 1 to 16 in your cursive writing book. And learn essay on Teachers' Day. Now holiday homework of English 2nd. Learn and write poem A-E-I-O-U and learn all exercises of chapter 3. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.